Good morning.
Good morning. How are you all doing on this fine crisp morning?
What's the temperature?
3 degrees.
When will I see you again? If you know, you know.
Yeah.
So we're off on a trip. Really nice. We can't wait to show them, can we?
No.
Wait to see this. And we might be doing something later on. So keep an eye out and we'll catch you in a while.
Have a nice day. As fellas, you know we go up this way. That takes us all the way up to the bridge.
Yeah. I don't know. Well, we went this way, didn't we?
Yeah, we're not going to here. We go straight through
Yeah.
the town on it. It takes to anyway.
It's caricature, this place, isn't it?
This is kind of control, yeah. And we went to hit for the Kilmac-Thomas Road.
Yeah. You sure that's right?
Yeah, we don't go into Kilmac-Thomas. We branch off. We come over the bridge and Kilmac-Thomas is to the left and we get off the road.
Right, that's the road we came upon, isn't it?
It is.
So, we got to go that way. We must have to sort of like go around.
I should have
Hi,
done that.
Jimmy.
I should turn right across the bridge and say,
Yeah, I think so too.
oh no, we go up this way now, should we? We'll follow your noses now for today.
Oh my God. Follow the noses. Well, we know where your nose ends up. Right in the
Bad love. No, I'm fucking fire, you should never call it.
shit. I have.
Oh.
Sorry, I've got you laughing, so that's fine. God, that's a... What is that? Is that a church?
This is church.
Oh, right.
And I think we've been in there.
Yeah.
Oh no, we don't. There's a church like it above in... what's the name of the place? We've been up there a couple of times. Lismore.
Well, just take a couple, because they said on the phone it was okay to do
Oh,
that,
yeah.
wasn't it? Oh my God, he's taken half a bloody tree.
Enough there?
As I say, you've taken half a... Oops.
Oh dear. Like it for more?
No, that's fine. I hope this is nice as it looked in the photos.
It was, yeah.
Oh, it looks like it is going up into the mountains, doesn't it?
Yeah, all he's finding the pull.
That should do us good.
Stop at the reception. I stopped with it before and he said,
right.
keep going.
Just keep going through
Yeah.
it. Oh, that's all right then.
To the side, he told me where the side was.
Oh, excellent. Oh, look at the little river. Not river, stream. Now you imagine it when it's heavy rain. What? Yeah.
Oh.
Big flood, wouldn't it? Oh, this is it.
Yeah. Walking speed. Yeah, we don't have to stop here now, we just...
Oh, excellent. Oh, look, there's little tables in fire. I suppose you can park down here as well.
You could if you wanted to, yeah.
Look, pizza oven, barbecue. Wow, that's pretty good. Oh, look, another stream. Say how big the hill is.
How high?
Yeah.
It's very high, and when you get to the top, there's a real airplane bend.
Alright.
And when you go to, on the bend, you have to come off of it to the left. So they said you want to have the boat down, but we watch what you're doing.
Alright. Oh my gosh, look at all the people walking. Little kids there itching. Oh my goodness, I don't think I blame them. Come on, old girl, you've got this. Oh well, this approved her. That looks like the bed,
This is
doesn't
the
it?
bend he was talking
Oh
about.
my god.
We have to keep really to the right.
Yeah.
And put the boat down. And then it's going to shaft in after that.
Oh wow. Come on, little girl.
There we go.
Oh, dear God.
This is our spot.
Oh wow, look at this view. Oh wow. Oh, it was worth that climb, wasn't it? Just look at this view, peeps. This is our park up for the night.
Yep.
Oh. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely
I think we're fairly good at that.
amazing. Oh my God.
Good old girl, bye.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. How are you all doing?
We're off for a nice hike, aren't we?
We are. We're up onto the mountains to find this lake, secluded lake. It's supposed to be very hard to get there, but
We're going to give it a go.
very good.
You know?
Join me in, and like if I get tired, I can have one or back. Everything is
Yeah, it's not changed nothing.
Oh yeah. Oh, well, time now I'll turn you off for a bit.
Right.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm just going to... Shit. Go on.
You film it? What's up, you
Here we go. I don't know if we're fit enough to do this. What do you think, House? Think we're fit enough?
Oh, no other bother in the world. No other bother.
So you're going to jog up to the top,
I'm
yeah?
sorry, I should have done it before breakfast. I would, no, only when after having a nice bit of food there now. And she's weighing a bit heavy at the moment. But if I'd done it this morning, I'd have up there, no bother.
Ah, not a bother.
Alright. You would miss the evening slipping.
Can you imagine us trying to get him across that bridge?
Oh, come here, no problem. No, no, you won't. Yours is fine. You can control it. That's what comes back. This one won't come back. Look.
Just use your other hand and pull it back.
He go one side of the pole and I go. I wait to see every pole hits you and cut the wrong side. He said, "Sound like yourself. Your dog. Your train too."
Right, sitting down, not because I have to. You'll never guess what he did. Ollie wears sandals no matter what the weather is. So we're walking up this hill and I looks down and I says, you haven't got your hiking boots on. We're quite a bit away from the van. So he's had to walk back down. So he's going to have to do this hill twice. And it's quite steep. I don't know if I can show it to you. Hang on. Right, that's part of it. Now it doesn't look that steep, but it is. And there's the top before the little bridge to cross over to walk towards the lake. Now we were told yesterday that it's quite a difficult walk. So we're going to give it a go and see how far we can get. You may be asking why I'm looking so perplexed. Okay, climbing this mountain to get to this lake, and we get up there and we weren't too sure if we had to go more to the right or more to the left. And there's this chap walking over. It looks like a hiker. Ask him. So he says, no, he says, the quickest route here, which I'd asked for the quickest route, here is this way. So we're walking, and we're walking, climbing over rocks, going into dips, and there's no, this ain't right. And I'm thinking, this ain't right. Then he stops and he checks his phone. And I'm thinking, this ain't right. And him and Ollie are getting further and further away from me. And it hit me. I thought, oh my God, I bet you he's a serial killer. And because Ollie would be the hardest one to knock off, he's getting him further away from me. Gonna kill him and then come back and get me. Get me. I know. I'm going to see his face on the news. I know I am. Bloody serial killer. I'm telling you. And there's Ollie. Oh, isn't this chap here? Show us where to go. No, you show us where to be murdered.
Oh, he took us totally the wrong way.
Yeah, totally the wrong way he took us. So now we got to go back down because it'll be dark soon. But we're going to go back up and do our own directions this time. Not ask any serial killers which way to go. Because you can't trust them. You can't trust them. So listen, we're going to get down off this mountain now and get back to the van. And we'll catch you later. Cheers. Fire. Water. I'll be cooking dinner later on, but...
Nice. The 2 dogs are cooking dinner.
Yeah.
No, it's up at the saucepan and he's drawn the beef.
Yeah, really. Oh, it's gorgeous. We just can't say how beautiful it is here. I'm going to get up and spin you around so you can see. Can you just imagine how beautiful it is just to sit here? So let me put you down. Oliver with his pint. Hang on a minute. I've got it wrong. You have to bear with me.
Perfect.
There we are.
You can just see me.
Oh,
God, Jesus.
just not even half a bottle and I'm falling. Oh, this is just lovely. This is my kind of parking up. What more can you ask for, eh? It's absolutely stunning. Step away from the fire, and I'm not joking, it's freezing. But this is lovely. Well, cheers, my dears.
It's just 3 degrees at the moment. I just checked there.
Ah,
3 degrees.
and smoky.
And smoky, yeah.
Oh. What do you look so sad for, Bruno? Come here to Mummy. Come on. Oh, yes, oh, the Baba. Who's the Baba? Who's the Baba? Say Happy New Year to everybody. Oh, right. Oh, that is so good, isn't it? Fergs. Where is she? Fergie, come here. Come and say Happy New Year to everybody. Yes. She's a beautiful girl. All right, jealous. Out by the campfire, Oliver eating his stew. What's it like, Oliver?
Absolutely beautiful.
Will you look up because you look like a monk?
Excuse me.
Oh, I tell you, you can't pick up what it's like here. You can see some of the lights, but just listen. What a night to spend New Year's Eve in. We will catch you in a minute because we're going to eat our dinner. Happy New Year! Thank you so much for being with us on our journey, the beginning of our YouTube channel. We hope to expand. We hope to have more subscribers, and
we hope to get a lot more up and done, and yeah, we're freed up a bit more time now. As I said, I'm retired now, so we're going to try and get a lot more in and get a lot more done. But thanks to everyone. We hope you have a fantastic New Year, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy New Year.
Bye.